blasting off. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio-controlled model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio-controlled boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Dear friends, I am back out here with the Rampage on a golden, sunny California day. Yep, I'm here at my lake. It's just a really nice lake. Water, it's not that windy, it's a little fuzzy. It's not great water. We're not going for a speed record or anything like that. I changed the settings in the struts. I went down just a slight bit. I just want to see how much better it holds with these new motors. The boats seem to be real flighty and real fast with these motors. I haven't tamed them down yet, but we're just doing it one step at a time. I'm really glad to bring you guys with me, you know, and I love showing this transparency. That's why you guys want to buy these boats, is because you guys see me running them right in front of your face. And if there's things that need to be adjusted or done, I do them right in front of you. The newer ones aren't going to be this thick and heavy, but they're going to be just as strong, just about. And these are, excuse me guys, and these are more than strong enough. We're still running the 54mm stainless GPS. Let's see how she does. All right, let's see how she acted.
Model speed, 4 miles per hour.
Feels good, in fact. I love driving this boat. I do.
Receiver battery 5.9 volt.
I need to get after it a little harder. Now that was exhilarating. It's clear I had a little too much down in one of the legs. Just a little too much down. But it didn't damage the speed controller, I don't think. We put another set of 8S batteries in. We're gonna take another go at it. I'm gonna work on the drives, and they're a little sticky. I'm gonna rebuild them so that they adjust a little bit better. But other than that, yeah, I'm just chilling, being transparent with you guys. I run this. That last run was indeed, in fact, come on, light up. Oops. 100 on the nose.
That's all, folks.